Alright, this is going to be a review on the Amcrest Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. I'll do an unboxing and installation, and then kind of a review of how it works. I have not looked into how to install this or anything, so this will be kind of a figure out as I go and see how easy it is for somebody to buy this and install it. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is to install the chime kit. This is basically going to plug into the existing box in our hallway that makes a doorbell sound, and I guess use the existing wires to make a noise out of this. I think this actually just changes the power going to our speaker. So first thing first, make sure you turn off your breaker. Also kind of cool, they gave you this little screwdriver to use. Pretty helpful, I think. So you just unscrew the top, drop this driver in all the way, and screw this back on. Then you have a little screwdriver you can use for the installation. Alright, here's our chime box with the cover off. So for ours, you just open up that top piece. Then we hook up this cable. It's got two leads right there. We hook one up to front and hook one up to trans. So go ahead and plug those up now. Okay, before you install, you also need to remove this black plastic case. This is a silver one that comes with it, but the black one's installed, so you'll have to see these little indentations here. Put one finger there, put your other finger there. You're supposed to go in there, push on the screen, just kind of pry it off, which is kind of scary. So the instructions tell you to drill out those 3 holes with the included drill bit, so that you can put these anchors in. But it seems kind of permanent for me. I'm just trying this out for now, so I'm just going to do a small drill bit, as you can see there, and just do the screws directly into the wall for now. If I end up really liking this, maybe I'll take it out and do a more permanent attachment, but for now this should be good to keep it up against the wall. Alright, step 3 is just to connect the wiring to the back of the unit. I'll do that real quick. Alright, with the wires connected, you can see I had a little bit of trouble with it. It's a little cumbersome, but then you see the top of the plate here has a little hook. You want to make sure you get that hooked into the back of the doorbell. So you do the top first, then push the bottom in, and then use your little screw that you took out at the very beginning and put it back in the bottom here. If you have a micro SD card, you can also install it here on the side. Just lift this flap up. Now's the kind of time to do it, and that'll let you save video on the memory card. I'm not going to put one in right now, so last thing I do is just to put the face back on. Actually, first I'm going to take this off. Alright, let's go turn the breaker back on and play with the app.